Hello students, today we will learn about some other type of words. Some words express what a person or a thing is. Some words express what a person or a thing is, or what a person or a thing has, or what a person or a thing does. These are called action words or doing words. They express some sort of action the person does. For example, Gita is a girl. Is. What is Gita? Gita is a girl. So is the verb. She has a blue bicycle. What? Blue bicycle. She has a blue bicycle. She goes to school on her bicycle. What does she do? She goes to school. So this is a doing verb, goes. Doing word. She is happy. Is the verb. Bunty is a boy. Who is a boy? Bunty. Bunty is a boy. Bunty is a boy. He has many friends. He has many friends. So has is the verb. They love him. What do? They love him. So love is a verb. They all play together. What do? They all play together. So play is a verb. Minnie is a cat. So is a verb. It has a white coat. What? A white coat. It has a white coat. So has is a verb. Now, verbs may be made of one or more words. For example, Mrs. Veena is a teacher. Mrs. Veena is. So here the word is only one word. She is going to school on her scooty. She is going to school on her scooty. So is going is the verb. It is of two words. She is going. She is going to school on her scooty. She has been teaching English very well. She has been teaching English very well. So has been teaching for a long time is a verb of three words. So a verb shows what a person or thing is, what a person or thing has, or what a person or thing does. Verb is the most important word in the sentence. Here we have several words. So fill in the blanks with suitable verbs given in the bracket. Now here are the words given in the bracket. Let us go through the verbs first. Skipping, skipping, standing, standing, eating, eating, playing, playing, barking, barking dogs, sitting, sitting on a chair. So select correct verb from the bracket in the given sentence. The girls are blank with a string. The girls are blank with a string. Now here we have clue, a string. So the girls are, which one will be the correct verb? Yes, skipping is the correct word. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. The girls are skipping with a string. Next, second, the boys are with a ball. Now here we have the clue, ball. So which one will be the correct word from the list? Skipping is already gone. Standing, to stand. No. Eating, eating means to eat. No. Playing, yes. So boys are playing with a ball. Boys are playing with a ball. So we have covered play. Next, the dog is black. Speaking, gone. Playing, done. Standing, No. Eating? No. Barking? Yes. The dog is barking. B-A-R-K-I-N-G. Barking. The dog is barking. The dog is barking. Dogs bark. Fourth one, the birds are blank on a tree. The birds are blank on a tree. Now remains 1, 2, and 3 words. Standing? No. Eating? No. Sitting? Yes. So birds are sitting on a tree. The birds are sitting on a tree. Sitting is used. The boy is. Now here the boys are playing with a ball. Here with a ball. Here the boy is blank an apple. So the boy is standing and eating. 2 words remain. So which is correct one? Eating is the correct word. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating. The boy is eating an apple. Eating. So eating is covered. Now remains only word and only one sentence naturally. So it becomes easy for us to fill the last blank. A man is blank near the children. So here we have standing. S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G. Standing near the children. Here we have covered standing. All these words are verbs. Here we have used words, 2 words to make verb. Are standing, are skipping, are playing, is barking, are sitting, is eating. These are all verbs. They show some action. They are all doing words. If you ask a question to the verb who, you will get the subject. Girls are skipping. Who are skipping? The girls. The girls is the subject of the verb are skipping. The boys are playing. Who are playing? The boys. The boys is the subject of the word are playing. The dog is barking. Who is barking? The dog. The dog is subject of the verb barking. The birds are sitting on a tree. What are sitting? The birds. The birds is the subject of the verb are sitting. The boy is eating an apple. Who is eating an apple? The boy. The boy is subject of the verb eating. Now match the nouns with verbs. Now here are some nouns of animals or living things. They make some voice. So cats, what do cats do? Cats mew. So this is correct with mew. What do babies do? Babies cry. What do fish do? Fish swim. Now here, birds, lions and children roar, play and fly. What do birds do? Birds fly. Here we take birds fly. What do lions do? Lions roar. Lions make a roaring sound. Lions roar. What do children do? Children play. So, dear children, we learn about action words or doing words which are called verbs in grammar. What a person or thing is, or what a person or thing has, or what a person or thing does is expressed by verb. Verb is always connected with the doer. Verbs may be of one or more words. Verbs also show the time of action. Verbs show the action, the time of the action, and the doer of the action. The doer of the action is called subject of the verb. If you ask a question who to the verb, you will get the subject, or sometimes what to get the subject. The boys are playing. Who are playing? We immediately get the boys. The boys are playing. Thus, verbs show the doer of the action, which we call subject. Verbs show time of the action, which we call tense in grammar. About tense, we shall learn tenses of verbs. For the time being, we can divide the time in three parts: the time that has passed, the time that is running on, the time that will come, yet to come. Try to learn. Thank you.